morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Is this our first show since the year started?
It's our first streaming show, yes, since it's our first streaming show of 2023. So I guess I could say officially Happy New Year. Although you can only say that for 1 week, right?
That's true.
If you say Happy New Year after the first week, it's like, come on, we've already been there, done that, you know?
Get with it.
But, 2022 was a good year, man. It was a good year for case handler clients, like over $26 million recovered for case handler clients. And that was the record, baby. We did it. The most ever in 1 year for case handler clients, the most ever for one case. Of course, that $5.75 million construction accident settlement. And, we're just gonna continue keeping on. Can't stop, won't stop. That's what we do here. And ladies and gentlemen, for those of you listening for the first time and don't recognize this voice, good morning to you. My name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler, a third-generation personal injury attorney. Been on this radio station since September of 2005 with Squeeze, the longest-running, most celebrated, most successful attorney in this radio station's history. Facts. If you want to challenge those facts, I invite you to come on the show and explain to me and the thousands and thousands of people listening as to how you are longer running, how you are more celebrated, how you are more successful than the case handler. I welcome that challenge, of course, Squeeze. Do you welcome that challenge? Squeeze? No? Am I talking to myself? I don't even know. I could be live right now. I could be talking to myself. I'm not sure what to do. Oh, Squeeze says take the wheel for 2 minutes. All right. So I'm not talking to myself. So excellent. Guys, people, you've embraced me. I've embraced you back. We've done some great things together. And of course, I've helped many, 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 many people attain millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars, regardless of their immigration status. Let me give out that phone number a couple of times. Let me let you know how to connect with me if, God forbid, you're ever in an accident. My phone number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. Also, you can link me on Facebook, The Case Handler. You can link me on Instagram, The Case Handler. Thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of people are part of my social media community. And I'm really proud of that community for many reasons, most particularly because it gives me a platform to show you who I am, what I do, and how I do it. Lawyers are very good advocates, right? That's essentially what our jobs are. Our jobs are to advocate for our client. And lawyers are even better at advocating for themselves. So you'll hear people during the top of the hour, later in the day, on a billboard, in the newspaper, on TV, wherever, telling you how good they are. My social media campaign, which again, I am extremely proud of, shows you how great I am. So the difference is, do you want to be told how good somebody is, or do you want to be shown how great somebody is?
Sure.
And we show you how great I am by those true life success stories. Those real people that never in a million years expected on their way to work, on the way to church. Crazy enough, I've had people get into accidents on the way to a funeral, never expecting that disaster would strike. And then something happened and they made the very smart choice with going with the case handler and getting the most successful result possible for their particular case. And that's what our social media is able to show. People holding up those big case handler checks, the testimonials, the audio, the video. It's truly remarkable, Squeeze, something I'm very proud of. And we'll continue to do exactly what we did in 2022 with hard work, diligence, and God's will. So thank you so much, Squeeze, for that introduction.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cruising with a Case Handler, show about personal injury law. Today, Adam, I think we should we should do strictly testimonials, and you should.
Oh yeah,
At a
I got some great ones. I got some we've never played before. I have some I've never even listened to. So I'm playing this live on the radio today, not knowing what these people are going to say, but I've got a good feeling I know what they're going to say.
Yeah, I show strictly testimonials today. Let's get right into it, and you comment after each.
Yeah, absolutely. So the first testimony I'm going to play again, I've never played this. I've never even heard it. Client picked up the settlement check right before Christmas. This is a construction accident. For those of you who listen to the show regularly, of course, thank you so much. You'll know this story because we've told it. A construction accident, gentleman on a ladder, something falls. He's removing pieces of a wall. Some of those pieces that he's removing becomes dislodged, knocks the ladder. He falls off, breaks his arm, surgery. Now, the construction accident cases in New York are some of the most serious cases. Some of the most serious cases because just the nature of the work being performed is very dangerous. But also some of the best cases because the law is on the side of the workers. I mean, really, there are strict laws that protect the workers. This is one of them. He should have had somebody working with him, holding that ladder. Of course, he didn't. His employer wanted to get the work done as quickly as possible. So worker A is on this side, worker B is on this side, and our client is on the other side. Breaks his arm, surgery. Case is going on for a couple of years, fighting. They're not even making offers. I don't even think we had an offer on the case until this year. It was ridiculous. I could not get an offer. The insurance company just refused to take this case seriously. Finally, we get to trial. Now, the great thing about this year, and I think one of the reasons why we were so successful this year, is that the courts have really fully reopened since COVID and are allowing for jury trials. COVID shut it down for about 1.5 to 2 years, and then it started opening up. And our case was ready for trial before COVID, and then we tried it. And during trial, they came up to our settlement figure, which is $1,350,000, $1.35 million. This is a case that's probably worth $600,000 or $700,000, but because they waited so long, the case got better. I mean, he was out of work longer, the medical bills piled up. And instead of paying $600,000 or $700,000 several years ago, they wound up paying $1.35 million while I was on trial in Brooklyn. They came to pick up the check. He is not much of a talker. He's a hard worker, immigrant from Jamaica, came here about 10 years ago. And he's just a worker. I mean, that's
Adam, play that money already, man.
Okay. Shut up, man. All right. Give me a little background. Come on, here we go.
Your team for handling my dad's case. I don't know what we'll do without you guys. If anyone's looking for a lawyer out there, you can always go to Adam. He's the best. And you guys say thank you now.
Thank you, Mr. Adams. We told you, I don't know where, but you tell me everything, what to do, and in the right way. So I follow your footsteps every day. Each time I call you, I ever get you. If I don't get you on the phone, you always send back, text me back or call me back.
So thank you.
So thank you very much.
Nothing fancy there, but a ringing endorsement. That was the daughter, the wife, and of course the client, the husband. So thankful to give them that big settlement check. I mean, literally life-changing money.
Always family, man.
Yep, family first. Here's another one. Got into an accident earlier this year, settled full amount, full insurance policy.
Hi, my name is Shanika. I just want to say many thanks to Mr. Adam Handler and his team for handling my case, my car accidents case. And I just want to let anyone out there who's looking for a lawyer and his team who are efficient at what they're doing, very professional, who will keep you up to date as to everything that's happening, every milestone, whether big or small, that is happening with your case. This is where you're going to come. This is where you should come. If you want the best, you want absolute professionalism, and you want to absolute clarity on everything that's happening with your case step by step. Come to Adam Handler and get your case taken care of with him and his team, because I'm telling you, they do an excellent job and they're very efficient at what they do.
Love that one.
You're the man.
Yeah.
You are
Another
the-
one? You want another one?
Absolutely.
Okay, listen, I can do this all day. I got thousands of clients, man.
Let's go, man. Let's
Again,
go.
ladies and gentlemen, these are not paid spokespeople. These are individuals that never in a million years thought I got into an accident, and then needed my help and are so appreciative that they want to let the whole world know that Adam Handler is the best possible option for you in a terrible situation when you've been involved in an accident. Here's another one.
I'm a client of Adam Handler, the case handler, and I would just like to say throughout my journey with him, I have never been left in the dark. The other lawyers have never told me something I didn't already know. He made me feel well more than comfortable, even when I was doubting myself about going along with this long procedures and proceedings. He brought me back to earth, calmly explained everything, and never left me wondering what's next. He always made sure I had an understanding of what will come and that we're going to make it. And, you know, he kept his word from the very beginning to the very end. He has never told me something that he has to say, never mind, or I changed my mind. Everything has been truthful, and he's really looked out for me. And what can I say? The best man that you will ever meet for the job.
Man, you're a spaceship. You're bringing people back to Earth.
I know. That's
Okay,
crazy.
Elon Musk.
I'll keep going, man. You want to give out that phone number a few times and I'll keep going with testimonials?
844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Can we get another?
Yeah, absolutely.
I would just love to say that I am more than pleased with the service I got from Adam Handler. My God, I went into this not knowing how things were going to play out, but just working with his team. They were knowledgeable. The communication was on point. Anytime I had a question, I could either call or email, and I would get responses very quickly. Listen, I literally have no complaints, and my settlement was quite nice. If you're looking for any sort of injury attorney, any sort of legal advice, come to Adam Handler and his people. They will surely take care of you. This is not a forced promo or anything of that sort. This is just from my heart to yours. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with the case handler. He's bomb.
He's bomb.
Boom.
I love it when people say, and my settlement was nice.
Yeah.
That means the settlement, enough. War leap. Anyway, man, listen. I just want to say, Adam, I'm proud of you, man.
I appreciate that.
I'm proud of what you are doing for the people. I know a lot of people, it's probably not going to like what I'm about to say, but it's true. There are a lot of attorneys that's not doing enough by the people. Adam always give 100%. As a matter of fact, he goes above and beyond. And it's one of the reasons why, yes, it's 2023. And I'm telling you, if you choose another attorney for personal injury, you have chosen the wrong attorney. And that's a fact. I can say that a million times. We say it every hour, the top of the hour, the whole 9 yards. But ladies and gentlemen, don't make the mistakes and go with another attorney. This man is the longest running attorney on this radio station. He's very contiguous, very continuous, knows what he's doing. He has helped a lot of people. And I love what it is that he's doing for.
And we treat people the right way. That's the, you know, the money is the exciting part because it changes lives. But, you know, when you also treat people the right way and you've built a community, it you know, the expression, your cup is filled. I mean, yes. People, I got so many text messages this year, more than ever, for my birthday, which was on Christmas, and for New Year's. Not only from current clients, I got freaking text messages from clients that I've settled cases for 3, 4, 5 years ago that are still living off the big money I gave them, thanking them. You've changed my life. You changed my family's life. Never in a million years did I think I could immigrate to this country and unfortunately get into an accident and then now have millions of dollars.
Yep.
Millions.
Yep.
I am handing checks to people and saying, congratulations, you are the richest person in your family's history.
Right.
History.
And that is what it's all about. So, I know people, you've been coerced, you've been encouraged to go with other attorneys. Listen, come on. Your mother never grown an idiot. Adam is like, what did you
No,
say?
I know exactly what you're saying.
Your mother never grown an idiot. Your mother never grown a fool. So don't be an idiot and don't be silly. Go with Adam Handler. That's all I'm saying. All right? No disrespect to anyone. No disrespect to any attorney. No disrespect to any broadcaster.
You're just not the case handler, and you're not Squeeze. I mean, that's what it is. It's
You're
either
just
you are or you're not.
That's it. Simple as that. So once again, let's give it a phone number. Store it. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Can you tell I had a wonderful New Year's Eve party, Adam, with my voice?
Yeah, you're still struggling, huh?
Man, I yelled, I screamed, I did everything. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry I didn't scream at you today with the number. But once again, it's 844-PPIDLAW. That's 844-774-3529. And by the way, Adam.
Oh, Uncle Morris says, have a great day. You too, Uncle Morris.
Yep.
Love you.
And also, we got to say enough respect to our engineer/DJ Jer, who ripped it in Jamaica at so many parties, it's ridiculous. And had the opportunity of witnessing him.
I saw some videos.
He was hanging out with Burna Boy over the holidays, hanging out with so many superstars. Me being number one superstar, of course. Right. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today. Look forward to seeing you again this coming week, next week. And make sure you keep it locked on Link Up Radio on The Case Handler also. And go Google The Case Handler right now. 844-774-3529. Adam?
My brother, thank you so much for the endorsement. I will not let you down. Often imitated, never duplicated. There's only one case handler. One chance, one choice, one case handler.
That's it. Take care.